I just wrapped up the end of my running week, and it was a 6 miler today. A lot shorter than last week's 23 miles, but that's what usually happens when you have a really, really, really long run. Next long run is technically not that long, it's a short one. So this week in total, it was like 14 miles, I think, 14 or 15 miles I did in total this week. Again, very short compared to last week. I did my normal Tuesday and Wednesday run at kind of like a moderate pace, and then I did my Friday run, which was yesterday, really, really slow, easy pace, and then today I did kind of like a little bit of a moderate run again. Feeling good. Still kind of like in recovery from last weekend. Still did my strength training Monday, Wednesday, Friday like I normally do. Still eating the same, about 2,000 calories. Just counting down to race day weekend, which is almost less than a month away, like July 28th. So it's getting really close. But I still got quite a bit of training to do, and looking forward to keeping you posted. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll see you out in these fitness streets.